This video shows how to self-install the Belong DWA0122 modem. It's specifically for homes with a fibre to the curb or FTTC NBN connection. We know that sounds a lot like science, so don't panic. Each home is different, and we've written down your NBN connection type in your welcome email. To set up another modem like the Belong Sagecom modem or any other NBN connection type, go to belong.com.au/welcome or check the video description for links. Before we begin, make sure any equipment you rely on, like security, medical or fire alarms, will work on your NBN connection. Your old landline phone and internet services will disconnect and no longer be available after you install the modem. It's a good idea to have a charged mobile phone nearby so you can still contact people and use the internet in the meantime. Do you have your NBN box? It's a white box around 18.5 centimeters square and 5 centimeters deep. On the right side of the device, going left to right, you'll find the black socket labelled power, a grey port labelled wall socket in the middle, and a yellow port labelled gateway. The device comes with a thick black power cable and a thin DSL cable. The device will need to remain in the home after it's installed, even if you move. Some people accidentally take it with them. If the device is missing and we haven't told you one is on its way, contact us at belong.com.au/support. Now grab your modem box. It's made of 100% recycled paper. Open it up and you'll notice there's no plastic packaging inside. Any paper missed on the modem or cables is safe to wipe away. The modem is a black box, 21 centimeters wide, 18.5 centimeters high, and 3 centimeters deep. The front of the modem shows the Belong logo. Hi there! The rear of the modem has a grey DSL port, 4 yellow LAN ports, a red WAN port, a black DCI-in power socket, a black on-off button, and a black reset button that requires a paperclip or pin or really tiny hands to push it. The top of the modem has 8 lights because we love a party. The left side of the modem has a black WPS button. The bottom of the modem has 4 raised feet, 2 wall mounting brackets, a sticker panel with your Wi-Fi login information, and a QR code. The modem comes with a thin black modem power cord, a thin black modem DSL cable, 2 white Ethernet cables, a quick setup guide, and a Wi-Fi card. Now let's position your modem. Your modem should be placed on a flat surface with the feet down, or if the modem is wall mounted, the feet should be pointed towards a wall. For best results, you should try to put your modem in a direct line of sight, near the center of your home. It should be away from large electronic devices like fridges, microwaves, or nuclear reactors. Your NBN box will need to be beside the modem, which may limit your options of where you can put it. For more tips on where to position your modem, check the video description for links. Now let's unplug all devices from all telephone sockets. Plug one end of the thin black DSL cable into the right-hand side of the NBN box using the middle grey port labelled wall socket. Plug the other end into a telephone wall socket. Plug one end of the thick black power cord into the right-hand side of the NBN box using the first black port labelled power. Plug the other end into a power socket and turn it on. On top of the NBN box, the DSL, connection and power lights will start flashing. Wait for them to turn solid blue. This can take up to 15 minutes, so make yourself a cup of tea. Plug one end of the white Ethernet cable into the right-hand side of the NBN box using the yellow port on the right labelled gateway. Plug the other end into the back of the Belong modem using the red port labelled WAN. This is the last Ethernet port on the right. Plug one end of the black modem power cord into the back of the Belong modem using the socket labelled DCI-in, which is to the left of the on-off button. Plug the other end into a power socket and turn it on. Pushing the on-off button makes a really satisfying clicking sound and, you guessed it, turns the modem on and off. The button will be pressed in when the modem is on and popped out when the modem is off. Turn on the modem, making sure the NBN box is also on. Wait for up to 10 minutes for the sync, internet and status lights on the top of the modem to turn green. Your modem will now be ready to connect to your internet-enabled devices. To connect a device with an Ethernet cable, plug one end of the white Ethernet cable into your device's Ethernet LAN port or adapter. plug the other end into the back of the Belong modem using one of the yellow LAN ports labelled 1 to 4. The first LAN port is the second port from the left. The relevant LAN port's light will light up. To connect a device using Wi-Fi, go to your device's Wi-Fi settings and use the Wi-Fi network name and password written on your Wi-Fi card, or on the sticker on the bottom of the modem in the lower right. You can quickly set up mobile devices that can read QR codes. A QR code is a graphic that looks a little bit like a low-res fingerprint or the world's ugliest rug. Simply open up your camera app. Point the camera at the QR code on the Wi-Fi card or on the bottom of the modem. A web link will open up to help connect you automatically. To connect a WPS-enabled device, you can connect to the modem without entering a password. Simply go to the Wi-Fi settings on your device and select the Wi-Fi name written on your Wi-Fi card or on the sticker on the back of the modem. When it prompts for you to enter your password, press the WPS button on the left side of the modem. The WPS light on top of the modem will flash and your device should connect automatically. You should now be ready to use the internet in your home. If you need a hand along the way, we're here to help. Contact us at belong.com.au/support.